Okay, welcome to part 2 of the video. Let me flip. So, yeah, I put Keenan in his crib over there. So, two circles are inscribed inside squares. This is number 15. Write a function f in terms of the radius that represents the area of the shaded region. Leave your answer in terms of pi. So, the area of the shaded region. Interesting question. I like this one. So it would be basically the area of the rectangle minus the area of the two circles. So the area of the rectangle, this would be 2r, 2r, and this would be 2r. Oh, Keenan, let me go get him. I'm holding Keenan again. I think he want to be held. So, oh, it's okay. Shh. Shh. It's okay. It's hard being a baby. It's okay. Shh. So the area of the rectangle here is, will just be base times height, so 4 pi times 2 pi. And subtract the area of the circles, well, it's pi r squared, and there's two of them, so it'll be 2 pi r squared. So check it out, this becomes 8 r squared minus 2 pi r squared. So I think we could leave this as is as my answer. It says leave your answer in terms of pi. So this could be my function. Write a function f, it says. So it'll be f of r equals 8r squared minus 2 pi r squared. Nice. 18. So the speed s in miles per hour of a car driving on a dry asphalt can be given by the equation s equals 4.74 root d, where d is the stopping distance in feet. What is the stopping distance of a car traveling 30 miles per hour? So they're giving us the speed 30 miles per hour. One is to find the stopping distance to the nearest hundredth. So what I would do is divide by 4.74, square both sides, and again, this is one where I'll use my calculator. As you'll see, your calculator becomes a great, very helpful tool. The more comfort you have with it. 4.74. I could just do that step first, and then I'll just square it. I just hit square and it automatically pops up answer squared. 40.057, so that would round to 40.06. And the distance is in feet. The stopping distance. Alright, last question. A company produces plates with circumference C equals 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the plate. Find the inverse by solving for r without switching the variables. Okay, so that was not too bad. All I gotta do is divide by 2 pi. So r would be, I divide both sides by 2 pi. Well, let me do it a little bit more straightforward so it's easier to follow. Well, you can see the 2 pi's cancel. So c over 2 pi equals r. So r equals c over 2 pi. All with just really one step. So that would be the inverse of the function. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope this video was helpful and hope you're having a nice winter break. All the best.